Is your 2005-2008 Pontiac Grand Prix key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the most common culprit. You'll only need two simple tools for this task: a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. The screwdriver will be used to gently open the key fob case. A plastic pry tool can help prevent scratches. Having a clean, flat workspace is also recommended. Make sure to avoid using excessive force when prying open the case. Once the case is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery inside. Note the battery's polarity with the positive side up before removing it. Use your fingernail or the tip of a screwdriver to gently pry the old battery out. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the polarity matches the original orientation with the positive side up. Incorrect polarity will prevent the key fob from working. Always double-check the orientation. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of the key fob case. Press the two halves together until they snap securely into place. Ensure all the clips are engaged and the case is fully closed. If the case doesn't close easily, double-check that the battery is properly seated and the internal components are aligned. After closing the case, test the key fob to ensure it works properly. Press the lock button to lock the doors, the unlock button to unlock them, and the trunk button to open the trunk. Verify that the vehicle responds to each button press. The doors should lock or unlock, and the trunk should open. If the key fob still doesn't work, first double-check that the battery is inserted with correct polarity. Make sure you're using a new, fully charged CR2032 battery. In rare cases, the key fob may need to be reprogrammed to the vehicle. Consult your owner's manual for the reprogramming procedure.